guys! Welcome back to my channel. So last January, I posted a little video dump here on YouTube. Yes, you saw it right. Nagbalik ako sa on-site work. And recently lang, napansin ko ang daming nagtatanong sa TikTok, YouTube comments. Wow, famous! Char. Pati friends na
Are you still VA in Pineapple?
so, here's a little life update. Kwentuhan muna tayo. So, quick backtrack. Around November 2024, I had 2 clients. Then suddenly, nag-end of contract yung isa. So, ako na nanahimik sa bahay. Napag-nilay-nilayan na habang isa ulit yung client ko, try ko bumalik sa on-site work. Kasi as an extrovert, medyo naboboard din sa bahay. Tapos, sakto naman, shout out to my friend, Jeff. Naghahanap siya ng creative associate sa pinagtatrabahuan. First time ko mag-work sa Manila. And ako yung type ng city girl dreams, kinemerut, and girl, the traffic. Like, legit talaga. Papunta ka palang pagod ka na. Although, yes, okay naman yung pay and I really missed having a team around. Iba yung vibe when you're collaborating in person. But, ang gastos! Meals, pamasahe, yung time mo. I really felt what people always say. Now, once you've experienced work from home, you'll really crave that freedom again. This freedom again. So, ayun, sa second month ko sa company na yun, I requested for a second client again sa Pineapple VA Hub. And thank you, Pineapple VA Hub! Nagkaroon ng client match agad. So, ngayon, back to 2 clients na ulit ako and back to work from home set up. Nilet go ko yun, yung Manila city life. Pero hindi na ako stay at home girly lang. Sometimes I stay in Burgos, hometown ng jowa ko. Or I go back to Metro Manila if I want a change of scenery. Or sa Baguio kasi parang second home na namin yun ng jowa ko. Para hindi rin nakaka-bore and para mas productive. Work from home but make it anywhere. So, ayun lang muna ang life update ko for now. Thank you to everyone na nag-message or nag-comment. Super na-appreciate ko kayo. And shout out din dito sa nag-comment sa akin sa TikTok. Iba yung feeling sa mga gantong comments talaga. Feeling ko nakatulong ako.
Huh?
I'm thinking of doing a frequently asked question or sharing my training experience sa Pineapple VA Hub. So, stay tuned for that. Kasi napansin ko, ang dami palang nagtatanong about sa training. Ang na-upload ko pa lang before training. So, yun na, tuloy-tuloy ko na to. Sana. Makikita nyo ulit ako after 6 months. Charis. Don't forget to like, comment, and of course, subscribe kung gusto nyo pa ng mga ulang kwentang updates like this. See you in the next